Today, we are going to go over the greatest common factors. The greatest common factor, also known as the GCF, is the greatest number that can divide two numbers evenly. So to start, we're going to do examples of common factors. So common factor is just numbers that multiply to equal that one number. So for example, we have 4. So 1 times 4 equals 4, and 2 times 2 equals 4. We also have 6. So 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. For 9, we have 1 times 9 equals 9, and 3 times 3 equals 9. For 12, we have 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. We should have already gone over that and know a common factor is. So now we're going to go over a greatest common factor, and I have one example. So if our first number is 10, we have 1, 2, 5, and 10 are common factors of 10. If we have 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 10 and 20 are factors of 20. Then within this, the ones they have in common are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now the greatest number between 10 and 20 is 10. So therefore, 10 is the GCF. There's 3 simple steps in order to find the GCF. So the first step is to list the factors of each number. The second step is to circle all the factors the two numbers have in common. Then the third step is to pick the greatest number they both have in common out of the ones you circled. We are going to do 2 examples of how to find the GCF. So the first example is the GCF of 36 and 45. So step 1 is to list the common factors of 36, which would be 1, 2, 3, 6, 12, 18, and 36. Then we'll list the common factors of 45, which is 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. Now the second step is to circle all the numbers they have in common. So they have 1, 3, and that's it. They have no other numbers in common. So the greatest number they have in common is 3. And therefore, the GCF of 36 and 45 equals 3. Then we are going to move on and do the GCF of 12 and 36. So we have 36 again. So write step 1, common factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Common factors of 36 include 1, 2, 3, 6, 12, 18, and 36. So the numbers they have in common are 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12. Now the greatest number between these two is 12. So the GCF for 12 and 36 equals 12. Now that we've done some examples, you guys can go ahead and pause the video and find the greatest common factors of 1 through 4. And you should get 5, 9, 5, and 3. And that is the lesson for today. Thank you.